Greetings, dear bands lovers, this is Ivica speaking. And in today's video I'm going to teach you how to find vacuum leaks using a cigar. So let's see it right now. The first thing you do as you remove the filter housing, you will have to find a plastic glove and to put it on the housing and make sure that there are no holes on it. The next thing, use a zip tie as longer as possible, or you make one out of two to tighten the glove as much as possible. That's the preparation for the job. The next step is to take out this tube because it leads into the intake manifold. Measure the width of this tube with a caliper. And this thick is mine, in order to buy a longer one. And now you just take a cigar, light it, and you blow the smoke into the engine. As simple as that. So, that would be it for our tonight's video.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
And till the next time, happy Mercedesing. Bye!